sugar and mix the egg with the sugar, and I forgot to put a little water, but we can put a little water, and we shaking the egg. This video will be without introduction, and there you can see the ingredients. Again, without introduction, for try to don't make longer the video. We put the egg in the pan. We try to do that in this kind of pan, in the square the Japanese use for make the Japanese omelette. But we try. You can see the omelette look pretty good. Today we'll make the sushi with the fake crab. And you need to try to give it a form little by little, and next to that you take it and put it away and waiting for be a little colder for cutting. And there you can see the ingredient for the sushi. I will put sesame, and for that I put it in the pan. It's like burn it a little bit. When the sesame put brown, I remove it and put it with the rice and mix all together. It's for giving another flavor of the rice. We put vinegar with sugar and mix all that with the rice. I put vinegar directly on the rice and this one with sugar to give more tasting to the rice. Today we'll use the seaweed without the thing the Japanese use for rolling. And possible, guys. I try so many times and always be perfect. On the rice you put 5 or 4 spoons the rice and put a little layer of the rice. You need to wet your hand for do that. Leave this space in the top that you see, and your right side is for when you roll it. This one we use like a tape, and the roll not open. The stuffing and the sushi we put it one side like this, like in the video, and really to the edge, and in there we start rolling. I use this cream cheese, but not so good because it's so liquid. But it's the cream cheese that I use that I find it here. I'm sorry. Important thing when you try to roll, your hands need to be really dry. For that I show you in there. Okay, if your hands are wet, the roll no good. You don't roll it well. You need to be really dry and start like this. It's a little complicated in the beginning, but when you manage, it's easy Japanese. You start to roll it and start to give it the form to the roll with your fingers. Put water in the end. This one is we use like a glue. Almost done, and that's it, guys. We have our roll. See, really tight, really good. This one is the brand the seaweed I find here. The seaweed have 2 sides. One side is smoothie and another one is smoothie. The smoothie side is face down, and you put the rice in the side no smoothie. The seaweed have this line. This line is tell you how you roll it. It's like you roll it like this in this direction, okay? And now our omelette is colder and we start to cut it. And sizes like the small finger or something, the pinky finger. And the same with the sushi, pinky side for the okay, like this. The important thing here is the knife need to be really sharp and wet. You need to clean it every maybe 3 or 4 time that you cut the sushi because it need to be clean and well. Okay, we almost done and it started to look pretty good. Let's see, yummy yummy, really good. Well guys, if you like the video, don't forget to give me a big like, okay, and follow me and put the bell. Another thing, this one is the wasabi and the soy sauce that I use, really good.